CAD Bridge is a desktop application that integrates PDM Pro or Standard with your ERP. CAD Bridge not only provides integration with your ERP, but also assists in daily tasks such as creating vendor spec packages or manipulating data within PDM. On opening CAD Bridge, you will be presented with a search bar to search and select the assembly you would like to work with. After selecting an assembly, CAD Bridge will display that file's BOM. To the left, the user will see options to change the displayed configuration and decide what you would like to view. To the right, you will see BOM export options, JSON, XML, and Excel. Right-clicking on a row in the BOM brings up a list of options, such as viewing or exporting that file. By utilizing the eDrawings viewer, users are able to view and interact with models and drawings outside of PDM without consuming a PDM license. This file is also connected to the ERP IFS, which allows the ability to update your ERP, create the model inside the ERP, and compare the values between PDM and the ERP. After clicking Compare under the ERP dropdown, a side menu will appear. Fields that match between the ERP and PDM are highlighted green, and incorrect fields are highlighted red. In this example, you will see that I have a description field highlighted red, which indicates that it does not match between my ERP and PDM. I would like to update my file in PDM to match my ERP, so on the side menu, I will choose the desired value, and then click the Save to PDM button to update my file. After refreshing, you can see that my description has now been updated to its new value. CAD Bridge can also be used to create a spec package for your vendor. If there are files that are not in the BOM, but should be included inside the package, the user can search for those files and add them to the BOM before exporting. After right-clicking on your selection and clicking Export, the user can decide to run the export on their machine or a task machine, and all the formats they want to include in their package. After choosing an output location for the vendor spec package, SolidWorks will open these files in read-only and save them in a zipped folder in the export location. Inside of the zipped package, you will see all the files and file types you selected during the export. Utilizing CAD Bridge throughout your daily workflow helps your users reach PDM's full potential.